Paano ngayon yung, paano mo magpa-prioritize yung healthy sleep mo?
I think, ganda nga na sinabi ni Doc, that's very true, no? Kaya ako rin natanong kanina about yung mga apps that will help you get quality sleep. Kasi it's so true, minsan, when you have a few drinks, tapos matulog ka, it really affects, feeling mo lang, mas okay yun. Oo, yes. Pero hindi rin eh. Actually, when you check the quality of your sleep, it's not that great. No? Parang masirap ka matulog. So I think, for me, to be able to work out and keep a healthy lifestyle, importante talaga yung balance ng sleep and your activity. So let's say, medyo late ako natapos.
Yes.
Or one night. I'll try to extend my sleep time or I won't push myself as hard the following day.
So, paano ka natutulungan ng Uratex?
Ay, pinag-uusapan namin ni Donnie kanina.
Share mo sa amin yan.
I think it's very important also. Ang maganda sa Uratex, they have a kind of mattress, a kind of foam for everyone. No? Yung iba, mas gusto nila yung parang memory type ng foam.
Gusto yan.
Diba? It doesn't work for everyone as well. No? Some like a bit more firmness sa hinigaan nila. And I think that's one thing that Uratex gives us. The choice to actually find what suits us best.
Yes.
Kasi hindi naman yung tao dito, hindi naman isang mattress para sa lahat.
Totoo.
Yung iba mas relaxed pag mas lumulubog sila. Yung iba mas relaxed pag mas firm. Like my mom naman, gusto niya talaga firm yung mattress niya. So it's finding that mattress that works for you so you can get quality sleep.
So ano yung valuable na natutunan mo today?
Correct.
Especially from Dr. Jimmy Chan?
Well, number one, no? Pag may katabi ka sa bed, sana maganda, parang nalulunod ko. Sabi ni Doc, sabi ni Doc, yung katabi mo sa bed, affects your quality of sleep, no? Number two, it's really finding time to sleep, number one. Minsan kasi masyadong tayong busy. Tsaka hindi lang busy.
Hirap dun eh.
Minsan nga hindi ka busy, ang dami mo na iniisip.
Paano mo kakontrolin yun?
Ang dami natin iniisip sa gabi. Kasi sa gabi, dyan tayo nakahiga, iniisip natin ang mangyayari bukas. Diba? Diba? Nasentro ba yung ganitong amount kay ganito? Nililista mo na sa ulo mo yung lahat na gagawin mo bukas kaya hindi tayo nakaka-relax. No? One thing that I think I'd also suggest to everyone is find some quiet time to yourself. Diba? Like I know you're a mom, diba? With your kids and everything, pero kahit na 5 minutes a day, give it to yourself to find time to relax because that goes a long way.
Okay, wait. So, last question. Why do you think prioritizing your sleep health is important?
I think in this day and age, alam na natin, health is wealth.
Health is wealth,
diba?
yes.
Especially nung COVID, diba? Sabi nga na, life is short. Nung COVID, life was shorter. Diba? Health is wealth and
kasi nung COVID nakakulong tayo, so we tend to just overthink.
Oo, totoo.
Diba?
Oo. But I think for a lot of people, discount sleep. Feeling natin pag sobrang natin busy, sobrang productive, we're at our peak. No? But actually, it takes a toll on our health. So it's really finding a balance between getting enough rest, because your organs need rest, your body needs rest, your mind needs to rest.
Yes.
No? Kung hindi, talagang babawi. Ito, sad to say, pero babawi ang kanya.
Yeah,
later
parang
on
yung
in life.
picture ni Doc Jimmy Chan kanina.
Oo, diba?
Yung sleep debt, yung utang natin sa sleep.
Correct.
Tama. Oh,
feeling lang natin na sobrang natin, okay, hindi ako natutulog, ang dami ko kasi ginagawa.
Kaya ko to.
Kaya ko to, pero trust me, down the road, babawian ka niyan. Our body, we're not robots.
Sisingilin tayo.
Sisingilin tayo. Hindi tayo robot, our bodies are made to sleep.
Tama.
Kung sino ka-sleep mo, wala na tayong control. Basta, matulog ka. Hindi ba yun? Matulog.
Basta yun yung purpose ng bed. Bed is just for sleep and sex. So, tapos, period. Diba? Alright, thank you so much, Sam YG.